Hi guys, since you did not get any training in this, I thought I would just make a quick video since that is what teachers spent their whole summers learning how to do, just to show you how it's set up for our class so that if we need to start to use this more, you'll have a little idea, and this is also maybe hopefully be a beneficial way to get some of your hours. So this is what it looks like from the teacher side. When you click on your name, you should see all of our classes that you've joined. So the top one is our class page. That just has any notes and announcements. I put like a video recording each day that we have a virtual day. And then, in the class page, it also is where the parents can message me or I can message the parents. Reading and math, these are where I'm putting their independent stuff. Or their stuff that I want them to do pretty much by themselves or at home. So the parents know, and most of the parents are pretty good about this now, that they only have to do things at home in these two folders. And this is also where I put their work that they do in class by themselves. So when the older kids come back from Heather Lamb's and they sit down and they go to their seesaw and they do their reading, they find that in here. Science is obviously our science class, and then this with the teacher is where I put anything that I don't want them to do at home or I don't want them to do by themselves. I want them to do with us. And I know I had showed Brenda before, there's spelling activities in there. I also have their Edmark activities in there. And I can just click View Original and I can pull up the Edmark lesson, which was basically just right out of the book, just in a different format. This we could very easily pull up on Zoom and do the word lessons on Zoom, so hopefully we don't need that, but it's there in case we do. So that is the different classes that we have. When you click the journals, anything they've done or submitted. So all these activities have been submitted. Activities is any activities that they have to do. Mrs. Griffith is also putting some math and reading work in here for Alexa in the With My Teacher. So that assignment is from her. This could be if we needed to do Zoom, we could pull something like this up on Zoom. Obviously, we would talk about what we're going to do and have a whole plan and everything like we do at school. But you could just click Add Response and just do it with the student on Zoom. So this might be something where this with the teacher page could be where we put activities or different things that we want to do with them if we should ever need to Zoom, which hopefully we won't. Anything that is done by the students has to be approved before it shows up in their journal. This little red bar comes up that tells me that they have work, and then I'm able to approve it. You'll see that red bar as well since you're a co-teacher in the class when there's work to approve. Scheduled activities shows everything that I have coming out and when I have it coming out. Unfortunately, this section is truly terrible for assigning different things to each kid because it doesn't really organize it in any way, and there's no way to search by kid other than to click on the actual assignment and see, oh, I assigned this to Xavier. So that part is a little bit difficult and it gets a little bit messy, but and then you probably won't have to do this part, but just so you can see it, to assign an activity, I just click on Assign Activity, and it pulls up this whole library of activities. This is my personal library where it says My Library, and it I made all these different folders with the different skills we work on. But then they also have this really nice community where other people have made activities. So this could potentially also be something else. You could go to this community tab that you could do for hours. Like, let's say you wanted to look up spelling activities. And then it will pull up different ideas that people have made for spelling, and you're able to love it, and then that'll get added to your library, and then we could be able to use some of these ideas. So going, if you need hours, and could be something beneficial to, you know, Trenton works on color words, so maybe you want to look up color words for Trenton and see what's already created in the community, and then save it so that we have kind of a growing and building library. So this was just a quick video to show you a little bit about Seesaw, and hopefully we will be back in school Monday and we won't have to use that this much, but I hope you have a good couple days, and I hope this helps get some of the time in a beneficial way.